If you want to know how to use layers in Canva, you are in the right place. Let's start with the first method by opening any design in Canva. Select any element, for example this staple. If we want to send this element behind the other one, we are just pressing Ctrl plus open square bracket, and if you want to bring it forward, press Ctrl plus close square bracket. Let's also do it with this staple right here. Press these buttons on your keyboard to send it back or bring it forward. It's working perfectly, as you can see. For the second method, which is more convenient in my eyes, we are just selecting this woman right here. Just right click and then select layers, and here you can directly pick send backward or send to the back or bring it forward. The easiest way and to have an overall look about the layers is just by clicking on show layers, and here you have all the elements inside your design. Just click and hold any element inside this list, drag it around to the top to bring it forward or down to bring it backward. This way it's very organized and easy to find the best positions, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.